all the rubber on this car was terrible because the car, you know, is pretty original, sat in a garage for a long time. I went ahead and changed the door seals several months back. I also changed the seals around the pop-out windows, but a big one that I've needed to do is the front and rear glass seals. I had never done glass seals before, but I did the front glass just a few days ago, so I'm going to go ahead and do the rear glass and show you guys how it goes. Just cutting this old seal out. Truth here. What's underneath? That's all I really care about. I'm not breaking the glass, but looks great. Yoo-hoo! The front one had a very small amount where it was starting to rust. I scraped it out, treated it with some rust neutralizer. I imagined that the rear was going to have maybe more, you know, I was thinking, maybe I got lucky. Take a look. None of that is rust. That is dirt. You can see that bright orange color. Corners is where you get it the most. Clean them a little bit. That is awesome. Just finished getting the trim on. Bucket of water, actually. And now for my secret weapon. Well, I'm glad that is over with. It's not that bad of a job, to be honest. It requires a little bit of patience, but if I can do it, so can you. I'm not the instructional step-by-step YouTube person. There's other guys for that. Just kind of want to show you guys a little bit of how some of these jobs go and kind of show you the things I'm doing on the cars. I learned two main things because the front glass install went much better than the rear for me. And the first reason that the front was easier is because I sort of lucked out, and the first time I put the glass up and looked around, I kind of got it perfect in terms of centering the glass. The rear glass, once I fully installed it, I got kind of towards the final corner. I kind of realized that it was just ever so slightly pushed up towards the passenger top side, So if, you know, had I centered the rear glass just a little bit better, it would have helped. So if you're doing this job, take care on that. The other thing I did on the front glass and not on the rear is I actually took that seal before I put it on the glass, and I put it in the oven for 5 minutes at like 170 degrees just to heat it up, and it makes it soft and supple. For stretching it over the glass, which is not the hard part, it's pressing in the trim can be a little problematic. So the rear glass trim did not press in very easily. It was kind of a pain, and I realized afterwards that that's the reason. I'm gonna be taking some trips here soon, and I'll shoot some video and upload it here on the channel. So if you guys wanna see that, go ahead and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one later on.